morning, beautiful people. So today is the 28th of August. I had to think about it. Wait a minute. Yeah, today's the 28th of August. I have decided to start going back to vlogging just because I like to look back on my life and see what I've accomplished and what I've done throughout my year and whatnot. So today I have a few things on my agenda. It's Sunday. I do want to go get my eyebrows done. I was supposed to get them done yesterday, but whatever, I'll get them done today. I got my hair done yesterday. Right now I am about to clean our bathroom, and I'm also clean the kids' bathroom. I don't know why my camera is so close, but I'm about to clean our bathrooms. I'll show you guys like a before and then like after. I'm about to pick up these rugs, take off the shower curtain, wash them, and then just clean everything down, wipe everything down. It's not too bad, but it needs to be clean for the week. And then I'm gonna go run my errands. I do need to go grocery shopping. I might cook something for the week simply because I have to go into work. You guys, I'm not happy about this. I don't know why they think I need to go into work when my job can be done at home. It's whatever. I do have to go to work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, so I'm not a happy camper. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys this mess in our bathroom. I probably won't show you the kids because theirs be trifling. Oh yeah, and I'm still in my pajamas, so I won't show you guys like myself until I like get dressed. All right, like I said, the bathroom isn't too bad, but it isn't too great either. So I'm about to just clean it and clean theirs and then get ready for today and leave. All right, so I'm finished with the bathroom. I've been finished, but I've been getting dressed. So here's what the bathroom looks like. Here's what I have on. Of course, I have my hair pulled back because I gotta get some time. I gotta take time getting used to this hairstyle. Like, I'm just not used to having hairstyles like this. But anyways, I'm about to go to this mall and get my eyebrows done, get them threaded. That's about it. I forgot to show y'all before the kids' bathroom. Their bathroom wasn't even that bad. But yeah, this is what our bathroom is looking like. Now, again, I'm about to go ahead to the mall and get my eyebrows done. And I need to go to Trader Joe's to get me some food for the week because I gotta pack a lunch because I gotta go in. And that's about it. That's all I can think of. I might go to the car wash too. All right, so here's what their bathroom is looking like. Looks just like my bathroom, just like our bathroom, just different decorations. They even have this right here. But yeah, this is what their bathroom is looking like. I know, I'm sorry for moving so fast. Sorry if y'all can hear that fan in the background. But now I'm about to take the load of laundry down so I can wash it. Plus, when I get back, I need to iron my clothes for the week. Y'all, I'm not liking this, having to go into work. Like, I'm not a happy camper. All right, so how about I took my camera in with me, but I forgot to record. So let me show you guys what I picked up from Burlington so far. Well, what I picked up so far. This is for your blow dryer, and I'm trying to organize one of our cabinets that's in the hallway. And we have, I should have got two of these. I only saw one though, because we got two blow dryers, but whatever. I'm trying to organize that area. So this is for your blow dryer. This was $2.99. Sometimes my camera act like it don't want to focus. Like, you cost too much to be acting up. And then I got these baskets. I'm trying to do something on our toilet. So I got two baskets. I had bought some from, where did I buy them from? Hobby Lobby before, but they were too big. And I'm hoping that these ones would fit. But these ones were $4.99. And then finally, I picked up this basket that I have. I already have one of these in the kitchen over the door, but this one is bigger, and we have like a lot of dishcloths, and this was $6.99. So hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, this was $6.99. This is a whole lot bigger than the one that we already had. And then that is all I picked up so far. My total was $16.06 or something like that. My receipt. I'm sorry, I just realized I had the AC blowing. I hope y'all could hear me, but it's hot. My car say 94. Yeah, $16.06 was my total. I need to take this stuff in the back Stop making so much noise. I need to take this stuff in the back to the thrift store. Hopefully they got one of those drop boxes around here. They used to, but people be dropping off everything and anything. So I'm gonna see if they have that drop box around here, because then I'm gonna take all this stuff there. If not, I gotta find a thrift store out where I am. I'm like 25 minutes from home. So I gotta find either a Salvation Army or a Goodwill. And yeah, that's it. If y'all hear my AC, I'm sorry, but y'all, it's too hot. I can't. So let me go ahead. Now I'm about to go to Ross. I'm gonna go to Ross, and then I'm gonna go to Target. So when I was backing out of my parking spot, I happened to see the bin. So now I'm about to go ahead and put these clothes and stuff. It said only clothes and shoes. I got a trash can, so I'm gonna have to donate that somewhere else, but I need to get the rest of the stuff out of the back seat. All right, so I'm stopping into Bed Bath & Beyond because I'm about to deep clean our oven, and it's some things that I want to get, and I want to see if Bed Bath & Beyond got them. I don't know if Target has them or not. That's the reason why I was going to Target, but I was gonna check like a whole bunch of different stores. I'm checking Bed Bath & Beyond, Ross, and Target. I turned the AC off for y'all, but y'all see this? I'm glistening. It's too hot. Let me go and get out this car. All right, so I didn't take my camera out in there because they had music playing, but I didn't find what I was looking for. All right, I couldn't talk long. There's this lady walking like super close behind me. I don't know if I got her in my camera or not, but I just happened to look this way, and she was like less than 6 feet away from me. But yeah, I went into Bed Bath & Beyond and didn't find what I was looking for. Bed Bath & Beyond is overwhelming. Like, there's a lot of crap in there. And I don't like chaos. So I'm about to go into Ross. And then if I don't find it in Ross, I'm going to Target. And I'm also going to go on At Home. No, At Home, I loathe going in there. Y'all, I'm about to suffocate. I'm here, at least roll my window down. But At Home is like super overwhelming for me. I feel like I'm super close. But it's super overwhelming, and I'm going to go straight to where I need to go and then come right on out, because my sister likes to go in there. Sally, she likes to go in there, and I hate going anywhere with Sally, number one, because she drag her feet. I be like, we can go on separate cars, I'll meet you there. She'd be like, why? I'd be like, because you're Aggie. But yeah, I'm about to go into Ross again and then go into Target. All right, so I got my eyebrows on, can't you tell? But I'm about to go into At Home. I didn't record in like the other stores because you know they be having music playing. Oh, what is that on me? But they be having music playing, so I didn't record in there. I am about to, I'm trying to figure out what this lady doing. Anyways, I'm about to go into At Home and see if they got these containers that I wanted. And then that's it, because At Home is super overwhelming. And yeah, then I need to go to Trader Joe's. There's a Sam's Club out here, but I'm gonna go home first and drop off my food, then go to Sam's Club by where I live. So, because it's hot, y'all. It's 91, inside my car it says 91. It's hot as Hades, baby. So yeah, I don't want anything to like go bad because of the heat. But anyways, let me go into the store.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make.
Y'all, I am beat. I am beat. And I gotta turn this AC. Let me turn my window down. I am beat, and I still need to go to Trader Joe's, and then I still need to go to Sam's Club. Let me show you guys what I picked up from Target and what I picked up from At Home. So I only picked up one thing from At Home. Just some dishcloths. They were 50% off, so they were $5 for 4. And we needed some, so I just picked them up. That's the only thing I got. I couldn't find an item that I was actually looking for, but what I got from Target, I got a box or 4 boxes of tissue with the Vicks. I just love those ones. And then I got some acetaminophen, so Tylenol. And now I don't remember the prices of these. And then I got some wet ones. Excuse me. still coughing from COVID. So I desperately needed some of these. I think I'm out. And yeah, that's all I picked up from Target. Now again, I'm about to go to Trader Joe's. And it's about to rain. Hope it isn't raining where Trader Joe's is. Alright, being that people are like backing up and all around me, I'm gonna show y'all real quick what I got from Trader Joe's. It's 2 bags, but I know they be packing their bags. So I got these for them, some apple cider donuts. I wish that they were vegan because I love apple cider. Then I got some mushrooms. Again, I gotta make my food for the week. I got some jackfruit I wanted to try. This is mine. Everything else is mine, I do believe. Then I got some vegan banana bread, even though I can make it myself. I do have a vegan recipe on my vegan channel, but I was like, I ain't got time for that. Oh, child. I got an avocado that's probably gonna take forever to ripe. Probably won't be able to eat that until Friday. I just eat it plain, y'all. Now I got some alkaline water. Put this stuff back in this bag. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna try it like with, I ain't buy myself no bread or nothing. Fix it, Jesus, whatever. It ain't like, it wasn't refrigerated, so it should be good. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a Trader Joe's near you. And then I got, I'm addicted to this. Like, I said I was gonna stop eating fake meat, like faux meat, but you know what? I can't. I love these things. These chickenless mandarin orange. Yeah, mandarin orange morsels, child. I got 4 bags of these, and I think these are like $5 each. I love them so much. Let's see. People done? Yeah, look like they done. I got some Thai vegetable gyoza. I don't know what that is, but it looked like it's vegan, so I was like, hey, let me try this. Like, it didn't say that it had like milk, eggs, or anything like that. Tofu scramble. I think my sister has sent me a message about this, or sent to our sister group chat. She had sent a message talking about trying this. I think this is the one. Hopefully it is. If not, I'm gonna see what that tastes like. I probably had this for breakfast tomorrow. And then I'm addicted to these today. I'm addicted to these as well. I usually buy like 4 things of these. These are $5 now too, but I only bought 2 this time. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. You gotta be in and out of Trader Joe's. And then I got 2 bags of what's it called? Vegetable fried rice. I got 2 bags of that. And then that is everything I got from Trader Joe's. I spent, oh child, $57. But whatever. It's gonna, of course it's gonna last me longer than a week, but you know. And this is gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week. So I think that's pretty good. Plus it's vegan / plant-based. They put a lot of stuff in this bag, sugar. I'm about to go home now. I did bring my cooler with me, but it's cooling down. Ooh, excuse me. So I don't think I need to put anything in the, I forgot to get some more sanitizer from Target, like these really big things. We got these in the car on both sides, and yeah, as you can see, this one is almost out. I don't know about the one on the passenger side, but I need to get some more. And yeah, like I said, I'm about to just go home, and then I am going to go to Sam's Club and get Joe's stuff for the week from Sam's Club. I'm gonna get his, I'm sorry y'all, I'm gonna get his lunch stuff for the week. So yeah, that's about it. All right, so Sam's Club closed in 40 minutes. I thought it closed at 7, but it closes at 6, and I am on my way there now. I didn't even get a chance to take my food home. Hopefully it doesn't melt. It's like the sun is out over here either, so that's a good thing. I did bring a cooler, but I don't feel like doing it because like I only have 20 minutes to get in, shop, and check out. All right, you guys, I have a lot of stuff right here because I just throw everything when I leave a store. I just throw it in the front seat with me so I can get it out easier. But I'm gonna show you everything. Listen, I ain't get on camera. I'm gonna show you everything that I picked up from Sam's Club. They are like closing right now, so I made it just in time. Y'all, I got too much stuff in my car.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Let me move y'all so I can show it a little better. Well, that light ain't good, but you know.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast.
All right, I'm back in the car and it is so disgusting, humid. It's just so disgusting. I feel so disgusting. But I spent like $115 at Sam's Club. I had to think of where I just left. But yeah, spent $115. Hopefully the gas place isn't closed, because now I'm about to go over there and get some gas. I'm on the line before the half. I don't know what that is, y'all. I've never learned how to read the gas thing. But yeah, about to go grab some gas and then I'm going home. I'm tired. I have been running literally, I think I left at like noon. I can't remember what time, and it's 6 o'clock and I am exhausted, so I am going home. All right, ooh, I'm out of breath like I'm out of shape. Obviously I am if I'm out of breath, but I'm home now and I am about to fold clothes. My clothes probably won't get ironed tomorrow. I'm gonna just have to go to work at this point, because what, I think it's like 7 o'clock or something. I was trying to stay in there because of the light. It's 7:30, so I'm probably gonna have to I just can't. I'm so irritated that I gotta go to work. But yeah, I need to iron some clothes and I'm about to fold these towels. That's about it.
And climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the thing.
Y'all, it's the next day. I fell asleep. I forgot to close out the video, the vlog yesterday. Right now it's 7:50 a.m. and I am getting ready for work. I'm not happy. But anyways, thank you all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.